India state parties. India has a large number of regional parties. Their influence is generally limited to one or two states. Regional parties, one or two states. Shiromani Akali Dal in Punjab, formed in 1920, is one of the oldest regional parties. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference is a party in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference is a party of Jammu and Kashmir. Dravida Munnetra Kazahagam was founded by C.N. Annadurai in Tamil Nadu. Assam Gana Parishad was founded in 1995 by the student leaders of Assam. These are regions, region wise. There are 4 conditions that qualify a political party to be recognized as a state party in a state. How can it be recognized in a state? Candidates put up by the party at the last general elections of the state assembly have secured not less than 6% of the total valid votes polled in, and at least 2 candidates have been elected in the state assembly. At the last general elections at the Lok Sabha, candidates put up by the party have secured not less than 6% of the total valid votes polled in the state, and at least one of its candidates has been elected in the state assembly or in the Lok Sabha. At the last general elections to the state assembly, the party has won at least 3% of the total number of seats in the assembly, or 3 seats, whichever is more. At the last general elections to the Lok Sabha from the state, the party has returned at least one number of the Lok Sabha for every 25 seats allotted to the states. If a party is recognized as a state party in 4 or more states, it will automatically upgrade it to national party, because it is written that if you have 4 or more states, then you will become a national party. Name the ruling political party in your state. Who is the ruling political party of your state? Who is it? You don't know? Let me know. I will not say, you have to tell me. Send a message in the group, I will come to know. Election symbols. What are the symbols? How do they look like? How do we come to recognize which party is what? The election commission allots the election symbols to all parties registered with it. Symbols are either reserved or free. A reserved symbol can be only used by the candidates of the party to which it has been allotted. Some examples of the reserved symbols are hand, that's the Congress, lotus BJP, elephant BSP, hammer and sickle and star CPIM, urns of corn and sickle CPI, and so on. Symbols that are not reserved for any party are called free symbols. Candidates of unrecognized parties and independents can choose from those free symbols and take that symbol. Available with the election commission. What is the symbol of the ruling party of your state? That also you have to give. I will not give you. That is your job. So we are done up with this. So you will read through this, go through the word meanings. If you don't know the word meanings, search it in your dictionary and write it down and keep it. First read, no homework now. You have to first read and understand the chapter. Okay, I have explained, all explained. It's very easy, only details. After that we will go to state governments or not, that we will decide. Let's see. Come to the contents page. We are done with democracy, pillars of democracy, democracy in action. That is 3 chapters here. And history we have done medieval, regional, Sultanate period. Regional kingdoms 2. Mughals we haven't done. Yes, 3 chapters in history. Our environment inside our earth. Third, 117. No, changing of the earth we haven't done. Okay. So our environment and inside our earth. We'll come back to geography, the changing earth. 117 we'll come to in the next class. Okay? Great. So we'll be done with 3 chapters each. So 3 in civics, 3 in history, and 3 in geography will be complete. So we'll be done with 9 chapters. Okay? Out of 11, 12, 23, 23, and 9, 32. Out of 32 we have only done 9, so another lots more to go. Okay? Let's see how much we can go ahead. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye, God bless, and happy Independence Week. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Bye bye.